let's start with Capricorn. I'm pulling out three cards from my tarot deck plus an angel message. So three tarot cards and an angel message. Let's see how your November 2016 looks like. Let's start with the tarot reading first. The first card that I have for you is the Sun. The Sun says, right now you want to take a certain risk in your life. You feel there is something which involves a complete different world for you. You feel, there's so much that you want to do in life, but you are scared about taking the risk because that risk involves your loved ones and your close ones. You feel you can't do this because this might affect the people around you. So that's something that you're scared of. But tarot cards are telling you, go ahead, take the risk because it's worth it. The next card that we have for you is Justice. Justice says that, somewhere you have been totally confused about every situation that's coming your way. Lately you've become a person who has doubts on everything. You have lost your faith from the upper soul. You feel there's no connection left, there's no bond left with the upper soul. So somewhere, tarot cards are telling you that get that bond back because it's not gone, it's still there within. It's just that right now you're pretending not to have any faith in that upper soul because upper soul is always there for you. You just need to have that faith. So somewhere justice is gonna prevail. You feel just because some things aren't working out for you at the moment, so you feel this is how it has been always. No, just get that out of your mind and things will be in your favor. Now the last card that I have for you is King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles says that your finances right now aren't doing drastically well. You feel you still have doubts about your daily bread and butter. You are so worried about things coming your way because finances at the moment are keeping you totally occupied. Getting up in the morning until sleeping, you aren't getting a peaceful sleep either. It's just because you feel you need to work hard, you need to earn money, you have family who depends on to you. So there's a lot that is going on in your head because of your finances. But there is a struggle phase yet. I am not saying that things are going to be sorted and everything. No, you have to struggle way too much for your finances, but it's not something that's impossible or you cannot do it. It's possible, but it's just gonna take some time. So have patience and your finances will also be well. Now let's move on to the angel message. Angel message for you is problem resolved. Like I clearly said, things aren't gonna get sorted overnight, but angels are telling you your problems are gonna get solved. It's just that it's just matter of some time and you will be a happy person. You will have everything work out for you. Just get that spark, just be positive and all the problems will be resolved. So yeah, this was all for you guys. Stay tuned, stay connected for my upcoming videos.